Welcome to the Modern Pulse, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive innovation and performance. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Corvette Stingray, a car that continues to push the boundaries of American muscle and modern engineering. The 2026 Corvette Stingray builds on its legacy with a bold design that captures attention on every road it touches. The sharp, aerodynamic lines and aggressive stance give it an unmistakable presence. Under the hood, it retains its powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 495 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Stingray offers lightning-quick shifts and a thrilling driving experience. The car rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class. The mid-engine layout continues to provide exceptional weight distribution and handling. Whether you're taking tight corners or cruising on the highway, the Stingray delivers balance and control with every move. Magnetic ride control further enhances the ride quality, adjusting suspension settings in real time to match road conditions and driving style. Inside, the 2026 Stingray offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system are intuitive and responsive, supporting features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium Bose audio system, and a customizable driving mode selector add to the luxurious yet performance-driven feel of the cabin. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The Stingray is equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems including forward collision alert, rear cross-traffic alert, and a performance data recorder that doubles as a dashcam. With both performance and peace of mind, this car balances speed with safety. On the exterior, multiple color options and trim packages allow buyers to personalize their Corvette. Whether you prefer a classic look or a race-inspired aesthetic,